Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time we will talk about the LinkedIn ad library. So what is the ad library on LinkedIn? Basically, imagine you are running a service. For example, a service like Magic Design, our design as a service company. And now we have a lot of competitors out there. One of our competitors is Supersite. And sometimes I want to see how they are promoting their product, what's important to them, and also just get a sense on actually what kind of visuals that they are using. So I can go to the LinkedIn ad library and then type in their name. And the LinkedIn ad library is something that is publicly accessible. And I can simply type in the name of the company and click search. And because of transparency reasons, all of the platforms are like LinkedIn, Google Ads, and Meta are required to show these ads. And so here I can see that they have been publishing over 1,000 ads on the platform. And for each of the ad, I can see several things. So first of all, I can see the description of the ad, then I can see exactly where the ad points to, and I can also see the visual of the ad. And this is really, really cool because then I can obviously also filter by date and get a sense on what's important to them, how they are promoting their product, and also it gives me some inspiration for my own ads. I hoped you liked the video about the LinkedIn ads library. If you are interested in ads for your company, make sure to check out Magic Library, our library of over 400 ad templates for LinkedIn, for Meta, for your company. The description below has the link. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.